In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can delete your TikTok account in 2021. So once you're on TikTok, you want to go ahead and go to your profile by tapping on the Me icon at the bottom right of the screen. Then you can see three dots at the top right of the screen. Go ahead and tap on that. Now it will take you to your settings and privacy page. What you want to do is tap on Manage Account. And you can see right at the bottom it says Delete Account. Very quick and simple. Just tap on Delete Account. And now you'll need to just go through a verification process. So I signed up for this account with Gmail, so I'll need to go ahead and log in with the Gmail account, and then I'll just go ahead and select the Gmail account connected to this TikTok account, and it'll bring you after that to the confirmation page, and you can go ahead and read about this. But the most important one, it says your account will be deactivated for 30 days. During deactivation, your account won't be visible to the public. After 30 days, your account will be deleted permanently. So you want to go ahead and make 100% sure that you want to delete this account, and then you would tap on Delete Account. And that's pretty much how you can delete your TikTok account in 2021. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.